Okay, so here we have rain predicted. You can see the typical lininess to these clouds. And if you look back behind here, you'll see the lines of clouds as well. We're looking south toward Fortuna. And then if you look over here, you'll see some lines of clouds as well. And then as we look north, we see somewhat of a liney looking cloud bank, and then further north we see the typical lines of clouds, layers of lines of clouds. So that's your geoengineering report for today. Join us on Facebook, NorCal Geo-Engineering Watch.